So we'll see the next question, question number 6. Rahul's monthly salary is rupees 25,000. Rahul's salary is 90% of Kumar's salary. Kumar's salary is 10% more than Anu's salary. What percent of Anu's salary is Rahul's? So you have the data that Rahul's salary is 25,000. As you are asked to find the percentage of this person's salary, so the question is working as independent of his salary. So instead of taking Rahul's salary and working, so we have Rahul's salary is 90% of Kumar's salary, and Kumar's salary is 10% more than Anu's salary. So as it is given as 10% more, you add 10 with 100 and you get Kumar's salary is 110 times of Anu's salary. And now substituting for Kumar's salary, so which is equal to 110 by 100 times of A. So now cancelling this, you have 99 by 100 of A. So Rahul's salary is 99% of Anu's salary. And the answer is option D, 99%. So here the working is, Rahul's salary is found as 90% of Kumar's, and Kumar's salary is 110% of Anu's, so which is equal to 99% of Anu's salary. So we'll see the next question. Question number 7. Cost of a flower vase in a gift shop is 30% of the cost of a painting. Cost of an idol is 90% of the cost of the painting. If the painting cost is rupees 6,500, what percent was the cost of the flower vase to the cost of the idol? So here the vase and the idol is compared to the cost of the painting. So cost of the painting is given as and cost of the vase is 30% the cost of the painting. And cost of the idol is 90% the cost of the painting. So here you are asked to find what is the cost of the vase compared to the cost of the idol. So both the costs are compared to the same base, cost of the painting. So instead of calculating what is 30% of 6,500 and 90% of 6,500, so just comparing these percentages, you get cost of the vase as the cost of the idol. So the required percentage is cost of the vase compared to the painting by cost of the idol compared to the painting into 100. So which is equal to 100 by 3. So the required percentage is 33 1 by 3%. And the answer is option A, 33 1 by 3%. So cost of the vase when compared to the cost of the idol is 33 1 by 3%. And the required percentage is cost of the flower vase by cost of the idol into 100. As both are compared to the same base, the individual percentages will give you the required percentage. So we will see the next question. Question number 8. So in a village, population of male and female is 7,000. Next year, if population of male is increased by 5% and population of female is increased by 9%, the population will come to 7,500. Find out the present number of female population. So the total population of the village is given as 7,000. So this population consists of both male and female. Suppose if you take the male population in that village is M, and number of female present will be equal to 7,000 minus M. So after an year, increase of 5% in male population and increase of 9% in female population, it comes to 7,500. So increase in population after 1 year is equal to 500. And this 500 is got by 5% of male plus in this female population 9% equal to 500. So this solving you get the number of male present and subtract from the total 7,000 you get number of female present. But instead of working all this, taking individual increase percentages, take both for male and female a same percentage increase. So it's given that male population is increased by 5% and female population is increased by 9%. So instead of taking 5% and 9%, we take a common increase as 5% increase for both male and female. So 5% increase of both male and female implies it is 5% increase in 7,000. So if both male and female are increased by 5%, 5% of 7,000 is 350. So but they have given increase in population is 500. So the difference got is 150. So this difference we have got 150 because instead of 9% we have taken increase of female population is 5% and we have decreased the increase by 4%. So which implies 4% of female is equal to 150, and to find number of female, multiplying this with 25 on either side, you get 100% of female equal to 150 into 25, so which is equal to 3750. Therefore total number of female present is 3,750. So answer is option C, 3,750. And the hint here is you take same percentage increase for both male and female and proceed.